Happy birthday sa'yo, putang ina mo. Mag-enjoy ka, magdiwang kang hayop ka. Wala akong pakialam sa birthday mo. Greetings!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagsa-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday ha! At you make sure na mag-ingat ka, sundin yung payo sa'yo ng iyong mga magulang, you stay safe, wash your hands lagi. I wish you celebrate your birthday in a nice, meaningful way, and I hope you have fun. God bless you!
Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Hello! Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo. God bless you.
Wish you a happy birthday. I hope to see you soon. God bless in everything you do. Ingat ka.
Have a great day!
Happy birthday. May you have the best of everything you had in life. May you always be happy.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi niyo po ingatan na inyong health.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. It's your day. Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
This is Lani Misalucha. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, and I hope you have an all awesome time over there wherever you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Surprise! Sana maging sobrang masaya po ang iyong special day. Happy birthday!
Enjoy mo yan. Happy birthday. God bless.
This is Brendamage. Happy birthday po sa inyo and ingat po ka palagi and enjoy your day. God bless. Mwah.
Happy birthday po sa'yo. I wish you more birthdays and blessings to come. Dahil deserve mo po ang lahat ng blessings. And I love you so much. Sana po ma-enjoy mo ang birthday mo at mag-iingat ka parati. Sana po good health ang always para sa'yo at sa family mo. And God bless you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Boss Raiki!
Strikey, happy birthday. Naway magkaroon ka ng magandang kalusugan at umaba pang iyong buhay ang marami ka pang matutunan. Muli, maligayang kaarawan, buhay kang gusto.
Hi, good morning boss. Maligayang kaarawan sa inyo at sana po ma-enjoy niyo ang araw na to. At best wishes po para sa inyo at sa mga birthdays niyo po. Ito lang. Bye, love you po.
Boss, happy birthday. Sana maging masaya ka ngayon sa birthday mo. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Magandang hapon sa iyo, Boss Raiki. Happy birthday and more birthdays to come. Stay healthy and God bless. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Boss Raiki. Message ko. Parang wala naman ako yung message. Parang wala naman natulong sa akin. Puro pang-aasar lang eh. Leon, joke lang. Thank you sa mga natulong mo sa amin to become leader sa office, syempre. Sa mga advices mo sa amin personally, sa trabaho. Ayun, dahil wala ka na sa AIDS, boss, wala na rin kami. Yun, see you soon. Next time, kita-kita. Sana may outing pa rin tayo ulit. Tayong mga tropa pics. Happy birthday. Peace out.
Happy birthday, Ma. Thank you for everything. You're the best boss by far. Sana i-bless ka pa ni Lord. Tsaka ingat lagi. Happy birthday. Love you.
Boss, happy birthday. Miss you.
Happy birthday.
Love you.
Hello boss, happy birthday. So, nandito ako ngayon, nag-jogging ako. So, miss ka na namin, sobra. Tsaka yung kakulitan mo. We love you, Inang Reyna. Art.
Hi, Boss Raiki. Happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi. Love you.
Hi, Boss Raiki. Good morning. Happy birthday sa'yo. See you.
Hi, Reiki. Happy birthday. 40 years old ka na, right? Secure mo na yung senior citizen ID mo. Marami yung benefits. Like, enjoy. Happy birthday. Bye-bye. See you soon.
Happiest birthday, Boss Reiki. I miss you already. I just want to say thank you for everything, and I hope you're taking care of yourself. See you around.
Happy birthday back! Enjoy your day! Lahat ng meron ka ngayon deserve ng sobrang sipag. Miss na kita. Mahal kita palagi.
Maligayang kaarawan sa inang Reyna ng HBOS and DSCM family. Maraming salamat sa 50 dekadang pagmamahal mo sa amin. Mahal na mahal ka namin, alam mo yan. Nandito lang kami. Suportahan ka namin, saan ka man naroroon.
Hi Rix, happy birthday! Siyempre, una gusto kong mag-thank you for the knowledge na na-share mo sa akin during na magkasama tayo sa past company natin. Hopefully, may share mo pa sa ibang tao, sa mga makikilala mo pa yung knowledge na yun. And wish ko, syempre, good health and more birthdays to come, okay?
Hi, Reiki. First of all, I'd like to greet you a happy birthday. And sana lahat ng nasa bucket list mo this year matupad. And sana humaba pa buhay mo. Marami ka pang taong matulungan. You're the best boss ever. Kaya kunin mo na ako. And ayun, again, I'd like to greet you a happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hi ma'am, happy birthday. Short message. Thank you for the love and support during my stay sa Healthy Boss, and ikaw yung isa sa mga iilang tao na pinagkakatiwalaan ko. So, sana masaya ka today and mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. I miss you, I miss your chika, I love you, and ingat ka palagi, alagaan mo yung sarili mo, okay? Mwah!
Happy birthday, Boss Raigi. Ano lang, enjoy mo lang yung araw. Tapos stay healthy. Tapos, akin na lang yung collectibles mo. Para kay baby. Kapalang yung One Piece pa niyan. Tsaka na, di ako makapunta mamaya. Ano na, Daddy Judy's. Bye-bye. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday. Continental Coffee.
Happy birthday to my amazing boss and mentor. Wishing you all the best things in life and all the good stuff in the year ahead. And I hope that this day will be filled with all the joy and happiness you deserve. I love you and happy birthday, Reiki. Love you, sis.
Happy birthday, Boss Raiki! Thank you! Happy birthday! Hi! Happy birthday, Boss Raiki! See you around! Keep safe! God bless you, boss.
Hi, Boss Reiki. Happy birthday. I wish you good health and happiness. We miss you and we love you. See you soon.
Hi, Boss Reiki. Happy birthday. I miss you and I'll see you around soon.
Hi, Boss Reiki. Happy birthday. I hope you're enjoying your day today. At I just want to let you know na I'm very thankful na I met you. Thank you for all the opportunities that you have given me. At I hope to see you soon. Love you.
Happy birthday, Reiki! Thank you sa tiwala. Tsaka, alam mo naman, kung hindi dahil sa'yo, wala ako ngayon kung ano man ang position ko nga sa HBOS. Lahat ng mga basher, lahat ng mga insecure sa'yo, deadma lang. Alam mo yan. I love you. Happy birthday. Stay healthy, yun lang naman. Tsaka, magpayaman ka lalo para bilhin mo na yung Healthy Boss. Cherries! See you later. Love you.
Hi, Boss Rags. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best in life. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, boss.
Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo and of course, more birthday to come. And mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Bye!
Hi, Reiki! Happy birthday! I'm glad that you've been my partner since then, and I have learned a lot from you. So thank you so much again, and happy birthday.
Bax, happy birthday! Thank you for last night, and I wish you all the best and everything that you deserve in life. Gusto ko lang ipakita na payat yung angle ko na ito. Kanang angle ba? Very good yan. Saka gusto ko rin ipakita sa lahat ng manonood ng video na to na mas maganda talaga ako kaysa sa love you, Bax.
Happy birthday, Reiki. I'm just grateful I got a chance to work with a great leader like you. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Happy birthday. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Reiki. Enjoy.
Hello, Reiki. Happy birthday. Surprise. I'm just dropping by to say a little prayer for your birthday. I pray to the Lord that He grants you what your heart desires and shower you with blessings on your birthday. I also pray that you prosper wherever you go and that He give you good friends and families. Happy birthday!
Hi, Reiki! Happy birthday! My God, ang Haponesa namin noon. I'm glad you're away from toxicity, and I wish you the very best in your new career, and I hope you be happy with life. And I just wanted to share na you were an awesome colleague. Wala akong masabi. You only go to me pag hindi na talaga kaya, and that's what I look for in a leader. Say hi, Ellie. You have been so awesome, and I'm so envious of your new manager, and I hope to work with you again one day. Taga mo sa bato. Happy birthday, Reiki.